Hello guys, my name is Sakodi. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Twitter account's password. So to start, on your computer, click on any browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in Twitter web address and you log in with your Twitter username. Type in the username, you click on next, enter the password, then click on login. Log in to your Twitter web portal. So this is Twitter web portal. So to change a Twitter web portal password, click on more, then click on settings and support, then click on settings and privacy. The settings, you click on your accounts, that your accounts column, click on change your password. Enter your current password. Enter the new password that you want to use. Confirm the new password. Then click on save to save the password. After that, you can log out. And log in with your username and type in the current password that you have changed to the new password. After that, click on login to log in to your Twitter web portal. So this is the Twitter web portal. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to receive an update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.